Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Dynamic Web Application with Python, Django and JavaScript. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building a dynamic web application using the powerful combination of Python Django for the backend and JavaScript for the frontend. Python Django is a high-level web framework that facilitates rapid development, while JavaScript is a versatile language widely used for building interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Prerequisites. Edit myapp/models.py to define your models. Run migrations to apply changes to the database. Edit myapp/views.py to define views. Create a templates folder inside the myapp folder and add post_list.html. Edit myproject/urls.py to include the app's URLs. Create a urls.py file inside the myapp folder. Visit http://127.0.0.1:8000 in your browser to see the blog posts. Enhance your post_list.html with JavaScript for dynamic behavior. This tutorial provides a basic structure for a Django web application with a dynamic frontend using JavaScript. Feel free to explore and expand upon this foundation to create more sophisticated and interactive web applications. ChatGPT.